Guys, I'm Wendy Kitty LPS, and today I'm just gonna do a Roblox tutorial on how to make mannequins. So first you're gonna open Toolbox and search for a model, and as you can see I searched for girls, because yeah. So yeah, you find a model you like this one, or any other model really. Hmm. You got this one. Now, first you need to remove its name. Now, Just now I'm just gonna change its name to mannequin, but there's a way to remove its name. I'm just choosing mannequin. Not the best at spelling, so if I spelt that wrong, I'm so sorry. Um, so yeah. Now you need to get rid of the decal on its face, unless you want to keep it. But like I'm gonna get rid of it because mannequins usually don't have faces. But now you need to get rid of the hair. Next you need to get rid of nothing. I got really confused. Okay, so anyways, next you just have to change its skin color. Just choose white, any color that you want the mannequin to be, and there you go. You can also set it on a little stand. And then you can make someone look at it. Like for example, I'm gonna go have a little a little cat look at it. We do look at this. I kind of choose what it could say. Just saying. This. Turn it. If you face it. There you go. You have your Roblox mannequin. Yeah. Bye.